Hello everyone, this is Market Daily where I bring you the latest in trends and money. Today I am going to discuss a company that has the potential to double the price in 2021. It's already included in ARC, Israel Innovative Technology, so it's more of a safer bet. So here is what I found about Kamada, ticker KMDA. The company is a biopharmaceutical specializing in the development, manufacture, and marketing of plasma, immunoglobulins, and hypoimmune therapy as pharmaceuticals. In 2020, it is a leading company for the development of an immunoglobulin against COVID-19. So I looked up some of the products that the company markets to save you some researching time. So what is plasma and what is an immunoglobulin? So plasma is a fluid component of the blood comprising about 55% of the body's total blood volume. The plasma carries blood cells, nutrients, and proteins throughout the body. It contains mainly water, but it also salt and minerals as well as proteins such as enzymes, hormones, and antibodies. Antibodies, also called immunoglobulins, are specialized proteins produced by immune cells and found in the plasma. Their main function is to bind to foreign pathogens such as bacteria and viruses and trigger their neutralization and destruction as part of the body's immune response. Plasma from patients who have recovered from COVID-19 is expected to contain specific antibodies against the novel coronavirus and assist in activation of the immune response against the virus. And what is hypoimmune therapy? So it refers to the administration of antibodies extracted from plasma, which contains an increased concentration of these specific antibodies to an individual. In contrast to active vaccination, where the immune system is encouraged to produce antibodies on its own and develops long-term immune memory over a period of time, hyperimmune therapy provides the antibodies directly with an effect which is expected to last for several weeks. The main advantage of hyperimmune therapy is the instant protection provided against the pathogen once the antibodies are administered. So why do you want to invest in Kamada? Now, first of all, the phase 1 of the clinical trial that is testing Kamada hyperimmune products in hospitalized non-ventilated COVID-19 patients with pneumonia showed positive results. The symptom improved observed in 11 of the 12 patients with 24 to 48 hours of treatment, and all 11 patients subsequently discharged from hospital within a median of 45 days from treatment. And starting in 2021, Kamada is supplying the Israel Ministry of Health its investigational hyperimmune product, and the initial quantity supplied would be sufficient for treating hundreds of hospitalized COVID-19 Israeli patients. So the execution of this supply agreement is an important milestone in the company development program and represents the first contract globally for the supply of a plasma-derived product for COVID-19. Secondly, on 1st of February 2021, Kamada acquired FDA-licensed plasma collection center from Blood and Plasma Research in Texas. This research center will be a part of Kamada's plan to become an integrated plasma company. Blood and Plasma focuses on collection of hyperimmune plasma, a raw material for Kamada's anti-D immunoglobulin. The center is one of the few centers licensed by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration. Now, the third reason is that Kamada has a strong partnership with Takeda, which is the Japanese multinational pharmaceutical and biopharmaceutical company. It is the largest pharmaceutical company in Asia and one of the top 20 largest pharmaceutical companies in the world by revenue. And Takeda is another stock that ARK is invested. So I can think of it as a bridge for Kamara to sell this COVID-19 solution to much needed Asia, where the population is like half of the world, right? And last but not least, the company financial looks solid. It has been beating earning estimates in the last 2 quarters and is making profits right now. It has 100 million cash on hand with no major debt. The sales revenue is looking for great future with 12% compound annual growth rate. And most importantly, the company has 16.92% shares owned by insiders and 41.94% held by institutions. And Yahoo Finance rates its $11 price target in 1 year, which is 60% upsides from the current price. But I guess if the solution rolled out in Asia, the sales gonna shoot up like a few times, because everywhere we have been hearing on the news that vaccine is not, sufficiently produced for everyone, and even in US we are lagging behind the vaccinating schedule. So I expect to see much more upsides for Kamada in the short run within 2021. So in my opinion, this is one of the decent buying opportunities in Israel right now. Anyway, do your own due diligence before buying, but I particularly like this company so much, I go ahead and got 200 shares of this company. And thank you for watching this video. Feel free to like and subscribe for more contents and research, and goodbye for now.